Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download MEXC application on your iPhone. To download MEXC application, first of all go ahead and launch open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search box at the top and type in MEXC. After you do that, search for the app and then look for this application from mexcfintech.inc and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. MEXC is a global cryptocurrency exchange offering services such as spot trading, futures, and staking. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, providing users with diverse investment options. Wait for your application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes, and you will then be able to install MEXC Buy and Sell Bitcoin application on your iOS device. So that's how you easily download MEXC on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.